Optimally performing infrastructure depends on selecting the correct compute solution. In the real world, architects and developers work together to determine the best compute solution in the development environment. Performance tests are run, and metrics are captured and analyzed to select the optimal instance family and generation for the application being evaluated, the assumption being that the application will perform optimally on the selected services. After the solution goes to production, the team must continually monitor the metrics and observe for outliers and trends to make sure the configuration selected in development is still optimal months and years later. As we discussed in the previous lesson, AWS is always upgrading its infrastructure, and that includes EC2 instance families and generations. As an incentive for customers to move to their upgraded offering, they often offer the upgraded option at a lower price. In some cases, your application will have one or more functions that require special performance considerations, and for that, AWS has what they call optimized instances. Your team can consider which optimized instance is best for your application based on your application architecture, needs, objectives, and goals. Here is a list of some of AWS's current optimized instance families. T2 and T3, which are burstable instances, C4 and C5, which are compute optimized instances, X1, R4, and R5, which are memory optimized instances, I3 and H1, storage optimized instances, G4, P2, and P3, which are GPU or graphical processing unit optimized, and D2, which is optimized for ephemeral storage. Do any of the optimized instance families on the list meet the performance objective of an application you have in mind? That's good, because selecting a non-optimal compute family for your application can cost you more money and lead to lower performance efficiency. Architects are trained to always take advantage of features such as compute elasticity to ensure their applications can manage the hills and valleys of performance over time. But utilizing elasticity should be the exception to the rule when your application is stable and optimized. Design for performance from the start. Choose an optimized instance family for your workload and optimize from there until your performance metrics meet your benchmarks and predictions.